While all the Prasitas were executing religious rituals and sacrificial ceremonies, and thus worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead for his satisfaction, the great sage Narada described the transcendental qualities of Dhruva Maharaj. Narad Muni is always glorifying the pastimes of the Lord. In this verse we see that not only does he glorify the Lord, but he also likes to glorify the devotees of the Lord. The great sage Narad's mission is to broadcast the devotional service of the Lord. For this purpose he has compiled the Narad Pancharatra, a directory of devotional service, so that devotees can always take information about how to execute devotional service and thus engage 24 hours a day in performing sacrifices for the pleasure of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. As stated in the Bhagavad Gita, the Lord has created 4 orders of social life, namely Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. In the Narad Pancharatra it is very clearly described how each of the social orders can please the Supreme Lord. In the Bhagavad Gita it is stated, Sve Sve Kamani Abhirata Samsiddhim Labat Nara. By executing one's prescribed duties one can please the Supreme Lord. In the Srimad Bhagwatam also it is stated, Svanushchitasya Dhamasya Samsiddhya Haritosanam. The perfection of duty is to see that by discharging one's specific duties, one satisfies the Supreme Personality of Godhead. When the Prachitas were performing sacrifices according to this direction, Narad Muni was satisfied to see these activities, and he also wanted to glorify Dhruva Maharaj in that sacrificial arena.